Good morning everyone. Today I am going to explain about stages of succession. The plant succession is a long-term process that to formation of barren area to climax stable vegetation. In that first one is nudation or formation of barren area through any adverse environmental factors like earthquakes, landslides or volcanoes. Next step is the migration or invasion. Migration or invasion of plant species by their seeds and spores. Here, migration. It is a arrival of reproductive bodies such as seeds, spores and propagules of the plants from one place to other. This is affected by wind, water and animals. Third one is the colonization. What is colonization? Here, the seeds germinate and the number of species are increased in number. Here, this condition of the bare area determines the type of initial vegetation. If it is pond that develops seeds of water, plants can germinate in that area. If the bare land is desert, the seeds of xerophytes will germinate. And next step is the echesis. Echesis is the successful establishment of colonizing species. Next one is the aggregation. Here species increase their population which has become established in the area. It is that replaces. Here shrubs replace the herbs, means pioneer plants will be destroyed by the, that is replaces the shrubs. If then later shrubs population will be increases. This is called aggregation. Next is competition. Here the competition between the population for their necessities. What is the meaning of competition? It is the interaction between organisms or species in which both organisms or species are harmed. Here next step is the reaction. It is the significant step in succession. The vegetation changes the environment gradually. Reaction is one of the dominant causes in succession because the changed environment will not suitable for the existing community, leading the way for another community. Here the herbs is replaced by the shrubs, like the shrub population will be increases. Later the environment is not suitable for the shrubs, then the shrubs will destroy and the tree or wood climax stage will be appear. Next is the stabilization. The whole process of succession result in stabilization of the vegetation and development of climax vegetation. Means it is a long-lived stage, that is woodland or tree species will develop and that remains stable for so long years. That is called stabilization. Next is climax vegetation. All the plant community takes their origin, development and finally mature, passing through various seral stages. Developing reaches a stable stage due to the limitation imposed by climatic and edaphic factors of the area. Thus, the habitat determines the final and highest type of vegetation. This stable plant community of more or less permanent character is called as climax vegetation. Next process is echosis. It is the process by which migrants establish themselves successfully in a new area after migration or invasion is known as echosis. According to elements, echosis is the adjustment of plant to a new home. It consists of three important processes, namely seed germination, seedling growth, reproduction, the successful establishment of migrant after competition with its neighbors. This completes the stages of succession.